So the TED Ed Padlet assignment that I have put on Google Classroom is an ongoing yellow learning activity. So it's something that you can do when you're finished all of the blue learning activities and you are looking for something else to do that's a little bit challenging, but not terribly challenging. So there are a couple of links in the assignment, and one of the links is to this page, which is TED.com, watch TED Ed. And there is another link to the TED Ed site, which is this website. So it's ed.ted.com, and you can choose student on the first page when you get there. So the idea is that there are a number of educational videos on these pages that could be about something that you might be interested in. So you can look through some of the ones here. You can actually search for particular ones that you're looking for. You can scroll through the pages on the ed.ted.com page as well, and you can see if there is a lesson that you are interested in. Once you pick a lesson like that, then you can click on it and go to it. And so it's going to have a format somewhat like this. If you want to watch the YouTube video, you can. And obviously, if you're wanting to check out the lesson, you want to do that. If you want to watch it on YouTube, when you start playing it, you then click where it says YouTube. In the bottom right corner of the embedded version on the page. And so if I wanted to actually watch this one on YouTube, I could click somewhere here to watch it on YouTube. And maybe I would actually click this link up here at the top to get to the YouTube page. So now I've got the actual address for the video on YouTube. And if I wanted to take that address for the video on YouTube, I could copy it like this. So I select the address up at the top and I choose copy. I'd probably want to get rid of this part, which is going to continue it at a particular point in the video. And then I could go to my dashboard in Padlet. So I just go to padlet.com and make sure that I log in. And when I get into that dashboard in Padlet, there's going to be an option at some point up near the top left for me to create a Padlet. So I'm just waiting for it to load. It says make a Padlet. So I can make a Padlet by clicking on that sort of pink colored icon up at the top, and I can pick a different kind of Padlet. So I'm just going to pick a wall Padlet, and I am going to start with a blank one. It'll take a minute for that to load, I guess. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to go back to this video and I am going to skip the ad. And now the video is ready to start. So I'm going to go back to my Padlet page and I need to click select down at the bottom underneath wall. So then once I get into my Padlet that I'm creating, I can give it a name if I want. Right now it's just called my fancy wall, but I can change the name if I want, and I can just add something by double clicking here. And if I want to add the particular YouTube video, then I just click that icon for a link, and then I can go Control V and I can insert my video link into that link. And now the video that I wanted to talk about is here on my Padlet page. And then I can share this Padlet with other people if I want them to be able to contribute to it, and so on.